Okay, Rahul. So I'll be publishing this on our internal groups. Okay, WhatsApp वाले groups पे.
हम्म.
So roughly कितना मतलब 30 minutes 45 minutes ऐसे कुछ रहेगा क्या?
जितना जाएगा जाने दो.
आई ला Rahul is full mood में है. Okay, so already it's streaming live. ठीक है. So let me just go here and hyphen live, and then we'll share the link over. Yep, here it is. ठीक है. Rahul.
But I'm sharing this on my profile.
Yes. We are live here with Rahul. So good evening, everyone. Yes, good evening, team. Good evening, everybody. The time right now is 9:32 p.m. Let me quickly stream it through. Okay. Fine. Okay, Rahul. So we are live. Okay. So good evening, everyone. We have our guys available. So here it is: Sumit, Sony, Akshay, and all the people in the house. Okay. Nice to see you. And good evening, everyone. It's been quite some time. After a long time, we are visiting for the 9:30 session. Otherwise, it was like quite some gap there. So, but yes, the entire 2020 year is passed out now, and now we are available as part of this 2021. And for the first time in January, we are launching this evening program. Okay. And guys, it's for a specific reason. So this entire week, basically, okay, Monday to Friday, daily we will be catching up live 9:30 and trying to share some valuable learnings, and it would be by our guest guys. Okay, so like Rahul Mishra, he's joining today and he's going to share some of his valuable learnings. Okay, and he's taking up really nice big initiatives over the social platforms like weekly sessions with the intention to, yes, serve the people, give more value to those who are in need, and really a helpful guy, guys. Okay, so as part of today's session, we would like to hear more from Rahul about his point of view about a lot of things, and what value or how is he trying to change the society. Okay, and everybody has that potential to contribute something massively. And yes, today we want to, and look at this smile, guys. Okay, so we would be liking to know more from it. Yeah, let's take on further. So yes, Rahul, you can give a quick intro about yourself and then we can get started. Yes, let's take it on.
Yes, thank you to having me. Hello, friends. Good evening to all. My name is Rahul Mishra, and I am a software professional. And today I'm going to share about the growth mindset and growth mindsets. Like, how can you develop the growth mindset? So, like in last year, the situations was not good, very bad in 2020, and now the corona vaccine came out in the market. So very soon the situations will going to be normal. So like last year, many of us lost the job, lost our family, loved ones, and we are stuck at one place. We migrated at one place to another place, but right now the time is coming very soon. The market is going to normal, so we can, if we think in the right direction, so we can achieve more. So will talk more about on how can we develop on a growth mindset. So like first thing is, you have to think big, because without thinking big you cannot achieve big things in life.
Mm-hmm.
Like like if you are thinking it, if you are going to achieve it. You, if you are not thinking it, you are not going to achieve it. Like, we all people are, many of us are from middle class family, lower middle class, or middle class family. So in our family, people said that जितनी चादर हो उतना ही पैर फैलाओ, उससे आगे मत जाओ. And I think this thought restrict us to not thinking outside, to not seeing the world. Because think outside, look out the world, how beautiful it is. And when you, like, I listen it somewhere on the internet, on many people of you might know the Zakir Khan. He is the biggest stand-up comedian in India, and he said that when he was in school, the 90 guys and 2000 guys, remember that we are pasting the stickers on our notebook in cover, like a cool stickers, fruits, some toys are there, some cars are there, and we are name Rahul Mishra, roll number, school names, blah blah, like in good way. And he said that he always bought to the uh, he always buying this fruit sticker. He never think that I will stick this car stickers or something big. So he never think that I will achieve this car. And one day in 12th, when he went to the on shop, he said to the shopkeeper, भैया ये fruits वाले sticker दे दो. And he said that no, they take this the car one. ये cool लग रहा है. And he said that hey, I will not achieve it, so why I will stick on my cover. And the shopkeeper said that अरे सोचेगा नहीं तो होगा भी नहीं. So guys, think outside of the world. Like a child wishes that I want a chocolate. The child is crying, yeah, I want a chocolate, and yeah, some sweets. And after some time, someone gives him chocolate or something sweets, because these things are connected to the universe. All things are connected to the universe. If you thinking anything big, if you are thinking outside the box, if you are thinking the comfort outside of your comfort zone, the universe will start making for you. So always think big, and yeah, believe in yourself. Like people in our society, in middle class family, people said that पढ़ाई कर बड़ा नहीं बन जाएगा. And when people said that बड़ा नहीं बन जाएगा, then पलट के कह दो हाँ, I believe in myself, I will definitely achieve everything in life. So like always think big, always think, don't restrict yourself to in your comfort zone. Always think big and dream big. And the next thing is find your purpose. What kind of life do you want to live? Like we all have the idea, wishes, dreams. Yeah, I want to become this, I want to become this. And many of us like trying on, many of us just wish, dreaming that yeah, it's not possible for me. Like the poor mindset people, and like poor mindset people thinking that yeah, I cannot achieve this. Poor mindset people think that yeah, they always blaming other for his failures. They always come with excuses. But if you have the growth mindset, then you can achieve anything. Growth mindsets always think about yeah, like this exams, yeah, I will definitely clear this exams and I will get this job this year. This is like growth mindset. So we all have a dream. So when you are dreaming, a dream with a date becomes goals. Guys, this thing is massive. If you having a pen paper, sit with pen paper and write all these things. So and this is pure, it's add more value in your life. So a dream written with a date becomes a goal. A goal broken into steps becomes plan, and a plan backed up by actions uh, makes your dreams comes true. And how can you make it
Kya baat hai?
possible
Once
for
more,
that?
once more. Let's break it up once again.
uh, a
वापस एक बार, just
dream
repeat it again.
uh, yes, yes, a dream written it with dates becomes goals. A
Guys,
goals.
listen. Okay, so step number one, a dream written with a date. Okay, that becomes goal. Means I want that. Okay, so just dreams are just in the air. I want to do this. I want to do that. You assign a date to it, then it becomes a goal, a target. Okay, no matter what, by this date, I want to have it. That's the step one. Okay, next is Rahul.
And the second is when you a dream written with date becomes goals. A goals broken into steps becomes
Hmm,
your plan. So
nice.
when you are at broken it in milestones, like in 1 week I will achieve this, in 1 month I will achieve this, in 2 weeks I will achieve this. Then if you are going through the plan, definitely you will achieve it. And the third thing is, and when your plan is backed up by actions, these things is
Hmm.
most important. And without actions, goal is, your dream is just a wish. बस सपने देखते रहो, उधर ही पूरा होंगे. So the without actions, your goal is just a wish. So take action on it and brainstorm everything about your goals. How? Like many of you might be, you want to become a software professional, you want a Java developer, you want AWS, you want job, you want in a UI server and anything. But yeah, you want careers in IT, but like why you want this career? Write this all, and then on how you can make it possible. Like you want Java developers, then you have to read about all the Java, JDBC, Servlet, Spring, Hibernate, microservices. If you want to if you want to do job in UI, you have to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, Node.js, React.js, this kinds of things. So write like what you want to become first, and then how can you make it, and then date. Date is most important, because many of people, I'm reading, I'm learning the technology, how much time you will learn? If you learn 5 years, you complete this, when you going to achieve this? So date is most important, and you write a certain times. I'm fixing this times, and I'm sure I will achieve this. In 5 years you will get more money. So in 5 years more dreams are there. So the first thing is think big, dream big. Second thing is all set what you have dreaming of, plan for it, and write it. How can you achieve it? How can you make it possible for it? And third thing is gratitude. Show gratitude towards everything. Like the
Yeah,
man.
okay.
Yes.
But we'll touch on this again. Okay. So guys, just to summarize, okay. So this entire session, what Rahul is highlighting is about preparing a growth mindset. Okay. Dekho guys, randomly you pick any random person in the market. Okay, no matter who is. On an average, people are average. Okay, because they become what their circle is around, and everybody. Not many people think of doing something out of the box. We are all guided in a manner ki somehow our thinking becomes small. We start thinking in an average and start living in a shell. ठीक है जो होते हैं dreams are there but बहुत छोटे होते हैं. ठीक है we don't think like changing the world, कुछ बड़ा करना, creating our unique identity in the world and like changing and bringing a huge transformation. We are not thinking like that. ठीक है so we need to change a few things about us. It's not about whether we are capable not capable. It's just that our thought process is crooked basically. उसको सही करना पड़ेगा. Okay, and that's what Rahul is saying. Ki, simple hai. Just 4-step strategy. You apply it, and your life will just change all towards a very great future ahead of you. Okay. First of all, remove this blocker which is not allowing you to grow big. Okay, it's all just in the mind. Maybe your past, maybe your friends, maybe your family, maybe XYZ reasons. But guys, we are now matured enough, right? We can make our own decisions, what we want, what we don't want, right? So you have to make sensible decisions. Okay, and guys, don't draw wrong conclusions out of your life. Maybe you tried, maybe earlier it did not work. So what are you doing now? You just give up on those ideas. Such things will never work. Maybe when 5 years ago you tried, you were not prepared enough, but now you are prepared. Things will work out. Okay, so just because of your past failures, don't assume that I cannot do it. It will not be the case. You grow with time, you become more responsible, you get more maturity, you get more ideas to solve the problem, you start actually getting better. So this is what it is, guys. Don't tally or don't look at your life based on your past failures. Okay, you still have today in your hand, and believe in yourself, and think thoda sa big. Okay, remove these limitations. I cannot do it, I cannot do that, blah blah blah, because you will not go anywhere if you have this mindset. So that is the step number one. Okay, dream big, dare to dream big, believe in yourself that you can achieve all that bigness. Okay, that's step number one. But सिर्फ सोचने से नहीं होता guys. Yeah, सिर्फ if thought is not just enough. Thought के साथ there is a strategy which you need to apply, and step by step process है guys. First, assign के by when you want to do it. That's nothing but a target. Once you assign the target to it, becomes a goal. It becomes like, okay, I need to achieve these dreams by this much time. So that becomes a passion ki, okay, you have something to go for in life. And guys, फिर उसके लिए जब जा रहे हैं, okay, when you're trying to attack it with full pace, full intention, okay, by end of January, 31st Jan, I want to make this happen. When there is that kind of deadline, all of a sudden everything, the equation will change. For example, today is 4th Jan. How many more days I have with me? All of a sudden the entire calculation changes, guys. Otherwise, the same target, if you have like 6 months to achieve, your brain will relax. This is how human psychology works. So when you set up a proper target, like, okay, by the end of Jan, I want to achieve something, let's say getting a job or doing whatever. Okay, so your dream, big dream with a target. And guys, this rule has been working like miracles for everybody who has set up. Okay, so you need to ask some challenging questions to yourself. That's the second thing. A goal banega, a target banega. Now you have something to wake up and then attack during the day. Now that's happening to people. You need to understand कि क्या हो रहा है मालूम क्या? When people are waking up in the morning, they are not enjoying their life anymore. ठीक है? So थोड़ा सा they don't feel like अरे laziness, alarms, they are switching it off. क्या करना? It's okay. Let the entire day will be just like yesterday. So that kick is not there कि आज कुछ नया करेंगे. We'll do something different today. It would be an exciting day. That spark is slowly disappearing in people. Okay, and that's the thing, we need to get it back into our lives. Okay, and that's what it is. When you wake up, when you have that target, okay, by January I need to get a job, I need to get this much of package, I need to learn this skill set, that will trigger you. It would be exciting life. When you're going for vacation, kya hota hai guys, excitement is there, right? When new year aa raha, excitement. When party time, festival time, excitement. Why is that excitement not there in our life on a day to day basis? Because we are not living it the way it is supposed to be lived. Okay, so life ko entertaining banao. Okay, every day going for something. So guys, just with these two things, dream big, dream fun, dream creative, dream something which you enjoy in your life, set up targets for that, फिर life entertaining हो जाएगी. You will feel like living. अरे वाह, मजा आ गया. ठीक है? It would not be boring anymore, it would not be tiring anymore, you will enjoy. Even hard times you will enjoy, guys. This is the beauty of this. ठीक है? फिर करते करते गाइस, ओके, दो थिंग तो हो गया. अब नाउ देयर इज अ क्लैरिटी व्हाट यू वांट, देयर इज अ थिंग विथ यू के ड्रीम व्हाट यू वांट टू अचीव. गाइस, जस्ट बोलने से नहीं होता है. ठीक है, you need to take some further approaches. That's what Rahul summarized it very beautifully. Okay, the third step is कि भाई planning is required. Okay, planning is required कि भाई if there is no plan, okay, this Warren Buffett said this: a fool without a plan, okay, a fool with a plan can defeat a genius which is not having a plan. So just imagine, guys, that's the power of planning. You define a strategy, like, okay, this is how I want to do it. Guys, there is a plan for everything. If you want to become like anything, guys, iterations may people grow. Sachin Tendulkar did not become Sachin Tendulkar in the day one. He needed practice. every day, every single day, growing practice, 6 months, 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, big roadmaps. And then he became what he was, a legend. Similarly, if you want to achieve something without a plan, you will never get to that journey, guys. And you need to understand, you need to sit, you need to figure out, okay, what I want. Am I right now prepared for that or not? And step by step, start attacking it. Okay, in this month, I want to do this. In the next month, I want to do this. And then what will happen? Guys, by this kind of planning, it would look at like a practical plan to achieve it by the end of your time. Okay, and that is what is the third step. You have to do your planning. And guys, फिर fourth step आता है कि खाली plan करने से भी नहीं होगा, right? You need to take actions. Simple, guys. Actions. You have to do these all four steps. Dare to dream big. Okay, set a target to yourself, do some planning, and then whatever you have planned, you have to do actions. Guys, you pick. Okay, everybody, I'm asking you, any role model that you might be having in your life, no matter who they are, any big legends available in the world, no matter who they are, you might feel like being like somebody else, right? Or you are that person, he's like the best in the world, the best business owner, the CEO, Jeff Bezos ho gaya hai, Elon Musk ho gaya hai. You pick any successful person, guys, and these four steps which Rahul has mentioned, just evaluate them based on these, and you will find that they had the courage to dream big. They had some targets कि ये quarter में ये करना है, next 6 months में this, next 1 year में that, next they had a planning, and then they were doing massive actions. Okay, without so you, this is the strategy for success. Very nicely covered, Rahul. Okay, and that's what, this is the mindset which, yeah, great people have. And if Rahul is believing in that, I definitely know कि in future time to come ना कुछ तो बड़ा करेगा ये बंदा. ठीक है, and that's what he's sharing it with others, so that more value can be derived for other people as well. And that's so wonderful. Yes, Rahul, और क्या बता रहे हैं, अभी gratitude पे जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, all these are like massive learnings.
Thank you for this beautiful summary. I love this. This is truly amazing. So I told you that it's a really honor for me to talk with you, because many of people might know, don't know. So the guy sitting in front of me, he is a wonderful career
वाह.
in IT, and me and my friends, many of like dreaming that I want to become like this. So he is a truly inspirations for me. So and this session is and we we have a big surprise for you at the end, so be with us, and this is going to be huge.
Okay, super,
So the
super, super. Yeah, moving on to the next one, Rahul. Yeah.
so the next thing is gratitude. Like the like Tosif sir, I some many times I called him sir, sometimes bhai bhaiya, anything. So when I started journey with him, he's what first day he said that uh, about gratitude, and he's what he's always with me in every ups and downs. So like in gratitude, what gratitude means, you have to show gratitude towards the your parents. They born because of them you are in this world. You have to show gratitude towards the nature, because you are using resources for that. You have to show gratitude towards your eyes, because of your eyes you are seeing the world, how beautiful it is. You are grateful to be for your hair. You are grateful for everything. You are grateful for this technology, because you are improving your life. You are listening something things. So if you are practicing gratitude every day 5 minutes, so
Mm-hmm.
this one thing will going to change your life completely. So
Mm.
show gratitude, practice every day. So because of this person, I practice every day. So I thanks to him, and these things is really because I experienced this thing. These things is really changed my life, and so thank you. And you people also practice daily practice when you wake up in the morning. It's a good habit to start your day. So practice daily gratitudes. Like many of you now know, this is going to be some sarcastic joke. So many people having a partner like your loved ones, and when you are going on date, so if you are showing gratitude, next time he or she will definitely will come. So in every manner, like gratitude always helps. Like your mom is cooking food for you, if you are showing
Mm-hmm.
gratitude, if your father giving money for you, if you are showing gratitude for them, they feel happy for. And the world is connected, the
Mm-hmm.
whole world is connected through it. The universe will send you in what unbelievable way. You will get every day new things. So show gratitude. And next thing is
Yeah, I want to add
get
something about gratitude. Okay, Rahul. There
yeah.
was a study done, guys. Okay, so there was a psychiatrist who was evaluating human brains and human psychology, how people think, how people react. Okay, and guys, a conclusion which came out of that statement, it was key. Everybody, okay, every human being on the planet, no matter how great or how poor, no matter who they are, okay, everybody is hungry for appreciation. Okay, they want to feel appreciated, they want to feel like others value them, others give some credit or like respect for them. Everybody wants that, whether they say, whether they don't, that is not the story, but everybody wants that they get appreciated. Okay, that's inbuilt in human psychology. Now the point is, guys, when you start offering gratitude, okay, you are basically filling up that gap in everybody. Okay, so if like Rahul has done something really, then when should you give gratitude, guys? When सामने वाला कुछ जब अच्छा कर दे रहा है ना, तो you feel like it's your responsibility to tell Rahul, hey Rahul, you're doing a fantastic job, because he has done really something like that. And when you start appreciating people, when you start showing like, hey, thanks Rahul for sharing this, thanks XYZ people for doing that, for small small things in life, you will not lose anything. But the person on the receiving end, they will feel more valued for the efforts which they do, and the reaction will be those people when just double down on their efforts. So that's where, guys, so doing gratitude, now first it will cleanse your mind, it will cleanse your life and soul. People are so much frustrated in the current world, okay, so much irritated inside. But when you start thanking other people for what good things they are doing, you will start wondering, wow, it's a beautiful world, there are so many people doing so many good things. Otherwise, if you don't do that, now if you're not practicing this, slowly and steadily what happens is people start becoming frustrated. You feel like, अरे दुनिया में कुछ अच्छा ही नहीं है, everybody is fighting, quarreling, always this problem, that problem. So start changing, look at the world from a different eye. And if that eye is of gratitude, you will find that you will find your inner peace, plus you will make other people happy. And that's what is being human. Okay, so take care of each other and walking together with each other. Massive massive points, guys. Rahul is touching directly to the heart of the topic. Okay, so yeah,
So
that's pretty good. Rahul, moving on.
so guys, practice these things every day when you wake up 5 minutes daily. And if you are doing this, suddenly that the change will happen. Suddenly the all things what you want, you will attract in your side. So practice every day. And the
So
next
guys, these
next
things,
thing,
whatever we are discussing, okay, these are not theoretical things. We have applied it in our lives. We are still applying it. We are still seeing the results based on that. Okay, so that's where we are sharing it out, because we want that you also get advantage of the same things. Yes, Rahul, moving on.
and the next thing is get familiar with F word. Get familiar with failure word. Because when you are you want to, many of you my in IT, so when you are doing program, the error is comes, error coming, this is natural. And how can you solve it? That 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 techniques you have to learn. If you error is come and you think that no, I will solve the next month, so so this is not going to be happen. Like many of us might know the Elon Musk. So when Elon Musk, PayPal developed, you know, the world first wallet payments is PayPal, and in that time, the people voted that this is the worst concept of business. Like in like near 2000, this is the worst concept of business, and see the how the where the PayPal is now. So when like you have to get familiar with F word, failure word. Like when when Elon Musk developed these things, SpaceX, when so he failed 6 times, and he'll lose everything, every money, he's bankrupt, and then seventh or eighth time, I think he achieved it. Like what who discovered the ball? I don't know. I just remember the name.
Edison,
So
Edison.
Edison failed 1,000 times, and then so if you have to become familiar with F word, in every failure you are getting closer to your goals. In
Hmm.
every failure you are one step closer to your goals, and believe in yourself, you will achieve that goal. Because if you are not fail, that means you are not trying anything, you are just a poor mindset people. If you are failed, that means you are trying, and sure this will work. Like
Okay, this reminds me of one incident, Rahul. Okay, I don't know where I came across it, but similar structure. Okay, it was key. A CEO was interviewing some position, like a director position के लिए, okay, and there were like four competitors for that director position, and a CEO was trying to hire the right person for this job. And then it was observed कि all the four were brilliant in their own arenas. Okay, everybody in their past jobs got massive results, this that, everybody successful, massive results. And अभी ये चार में से you have to pick one person, and now that is the responsibility of CEO, okay, who you would hire for this job. And everybody is expert, everybody has proved it in the past, having 20 years of experience. Now which person will you pick? Okay, and the criteria which CEO says is simple. He says ki I just okay, I just look for what were the biggest failures of their lives and how did they overcome those failures. Okay. And he said, Ki, bhai, if somebody has not failed in life, that means if in my project something happens where a person is failing, he does not know how to cope with that kind of pressure. Okay, the failure is a learning itself. Okay, and that's where the tough times. So when you fail, you would actually be going through a lot mental emotions, like a lot of things will happen in your brain with the people around you. Usme se jo nikal ke aata hai na guys, that is not one time fixing of your failure. Okay, so once you fail, what you learn in that na, next time in your life if similar situation is coming, you can deal with it in a more confident manner. So failure fixing is not a one time process, it makes you ready for the entire life which is ahead of you. Okay, and that's what guys, slowly and steadily you become stronger, you rise, and then you will find 5 years from now you are become an expert in everything. And this is what happens with everybody. So understand, very nicely pointing out, Rahul. Yeah, moving on, moving on.
this is really
Yes,
so,
yes.
and the next thing is like feed positive things in your minds. Like
Mm,
uh, we are working for 8 hours. Like our mindset is working for 8 hours, or in gap we are listening music, social media, and other things. But if you have this mindset, when you are free, you are doing your work. In like if you are working the when you whenever you are free in whole day, you are doing work, you will achieve more, you will succeed more with 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 what you will achieve more, you will succeed more. So like what I am doing, in any gaps happens, like in last I think 2 months, like any gaps happens in between class. So like sometimes all times the mindset is not that you are going to listening some motivational things, or like so always the motivational forms is changed. Like earlier, the video is still there, video is there, or what podcast is there. So when I am free in 15 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes in between study or anything, so I am filling those gaps with podcasts, like listening. I am listening this day podcast of On Purpose with Jay Shetty on Ghana, Sadhguru podcast, Robin Sharma podcast, and many. Uh, Today I listen one person the podcast, and that's really inspired me. I just got that thought. He is donating his 90% of his profit. I don't remember recall the name. So he
Okay.
is donating the 90% of profit to making a world a better place. So like I listen the many legends mindset thoughts. So so you people will also do the things. When you are free, you are not go to an entertainment area. When you are going to an entertainment area, so when you do the work next time, the entertainment things will come in your mind, and then you will go, then you switch again in entertainment area. So when you are free, feed your mind with right thoughts, and these thoughts will change your lives, and many techniques will come in if you are listening the all the thoughts, all the successful people thoughts, like these all things are free, you don't have to pay anymore any charges. And if you are listening these thoughts, if you are feeling these thoughts in your free time, and then you are going for your work, you will achieve more, you will succeed more, you will achieve anything of life, because you are listening these techniques, and you are just applying these thoughts. So work what at least 16 hour, 15 hour or 16 hours daily. Fix your lifestyle, adopt a healthy lifestyle. Like many of people not believing that how I am working 15 hours, how many people are working 15 hour or 16 hours. So you have to adopt a healthy lifestyle. So if you are like if you are eating the what wrong things, if you are eating the what Chinese and any other thing, then you think that your body will work, your body will not work. So if you really want to achieve anything big in 2021, so
Mm-hmm.
set your set. I thought we already told about your goal. So in that in between, you fixed your lifestyle properly. Feed right thoughts in your mind, feed right foods in your body, and sure you will achieve everything in life.
So true, so true, so true. Yeah, and guys, all these value he is adding, this is really gem basically, okay? And I personally know Rahul from like what? April, somewhere around April 2020, okay? So it's more like I think 7, 8 months or so. It's just going on like that, okay? And personally, I have seen a big transformation in the way he thinks and his himself belief system about like how to bring modify the life to the whole new level, guys. Okay, you need to understand struggle is there with everyone, but there will be some who will fight this struggle and try to become bigger, okay? And this is what I've seen it in Rahul, and what techniques he's suggesting every day morning में 5 minutes का gratitude, being thankful. Okay, whenever you are having free time, rather than spending it like mindlessly in entertainment or wasting it basically, okay, converting it into a productive time where you feel some powerful things into your brain. Guys, देखो, point is over a day change will not happen in life, but when you keep feeding it, you will find that in weeks you will start modifying, okay, the way you look at the world, the way you look at yourself, everything will start changing. And that's what he has practically applied it. The success affirmations for like hours together, he used to watch success affirmations, feed it, feed it, feed it. Nowadays he's listening to all the big successful people of the world via mode of podcast. So basically, so many social platforms, use the internet rightly and change your life basically, okay? And guys, let me tell you, in this internet time where knowledge is so easily accessible, okay, but there is a problem. You know what? There is a problem with human beings. When the things are easily available, now you take it for granted, okay? And very sad to say, but many of the people of the current world have started taking our lives for granted. ठीक है, our health for granted, our brain for granted. अरे फ्री मिल गया ना गाइस, वैल्यू उसका चला गया. बट वही चीज अगर 200 रुपए में कुछ दिमाग का कुछ अच्छा होता है ना, तो वो फिर बहुत वैल्यू कर लेते. That's the problem with people. Okay, you're given with this beautiful gift of life. You don't value it anymore. Okay, your creativity is dead. You don't think out of the box. Your self confidence, ki I can do something in life, that has gone. Okay, completely miserable in the current world. Or I cannot do this. Life is always failing me. This, that. Come on, get over these things. Okay, you're given a mind, you're given a body, and the most beautiful thing in the world, you know what? That you are still alive today. No matter how much your past could have been, you can change it by changing your today, and then your life will change. So it's something which you still have. Okay, but it depends upon you. As long as you keep complaining, as long as you keep crying, you're not getting anywhere, guys. And learn from what he's sharing, learn from all the great mindset people think, share lot of ways of getting knowledge. You read books, you watch interviews of big and successful people, you see how the mind works, how the body works, how the health works, what is important in life, what is not important in life, how to make like be a star performer in your work, in your technology. Everything can be learned using internet, and you need to do that. Okay, now Rahul, we'll take it towards some conclusion. Rahul, tell something about this. Okay, weekly you are conducting some session as well, right? So in between, like
Yeah,
you're coming live and sharing something. So what exactly is that one?
yeah. Every week I am coming live to sharing some knowledge to the world, to what I learn from my mistakes or my learning, what I learn from my surrounding mistakes, what I learn from this many books I am reading, what I learn from the the knowledge where I get from my surroundings. So I am sharing this knowledge with the people to making this world a better place, to helping others for any area. Like I'm a Java developer, so I'm sharing also the right things about the technology. I'm sharing about the Java things, and many more things will come in the near future. And I'm also sharing the many knowledge and techniques on my profiles.
Guys,
And
this
many
is
times
really good. Hmm. Okay.
I'm calling with expert to my friends who is achieving more in that area. So I'm calling that person to share the knowledge.
Okay. And where exactly you are coming live and what time, Rahul?
Yeah, I'm coming live on my Facebook profile, Rahul Mishra, same right
Okay.
now. And I'm coming Sunday.
Every
Every
Sunday.
Sunday, yeah, to two
Okay.
o'clock, sometimes 2 o'clock, sometimes 4 o'clock, 2 to 4 in between.
ठीक है. So guys, just wanted to tell one thing. ठीक है. So basically, he is right now in a growth stage of life. Okay, he is in a growth stage of life, learning, acquiring knowledge, what works, what does not work, experimenting with life, learning from the expert and the successful people, applying in his own life, and then even technology wise. And guys, personally, after knowing him, I really know ki if you need any kind of help, I think this would be a really good person to go for. Okay, so he would really help you people, guide you people, and like as a friend he will properly take care of you. He has been a mentor of our life transformation program as well, so I would personally recommend. He's already available as this thing. So if you feel hesitated to reach out or talk to anybody, I think Rahul would be a nice friend to you, which you can find online. And whatever he's trying to share, just ask your questions. Guys, देखो, in this human society now, we people have to take care of each other. Nobody else is going to come and do that. Okay, so and you know what, right? People are under stress, under tension, under depression. They're feeling like people are living in imaginary world of themselves. एक fake image बना के रखे है, right? Internally broken, but to the world I want to sound that I am strong. Okay, and so sorry guys, it doesn't work. If you need a caring hand, if you need a helping hand, you need to ask. Okay, like I need some help, I'm struggling here, and then the world will come and help you out. Okay, so get out of your so-called fake image, guys. It is killing you inside, and the result of that is eventually you will suffer. Okay, you will really suffer in your day-to-day activities because nobody will come and take care of you. And that's what the social media is having a dark side also, right? Where people feel depressed and does not feel good about coming to social media, and when these negative comments and all that is all. So guys, that dark side is there, but you can use this platform to connect with people like Rahul, me, and there would be many other people who is trying to share value without any expectations back. Okay, so you can get in touch, reach out to us as well. And if you have problems, speak it out, guys. Somewhere or the other there would be good people who would like to help you. Okay, and that part is still existing in the world. And yeah, reach out to Rahul, he would really be a nice friend. So on Facebook he comes live, but yeah, you can reach out to him over our messenger and everywhere and trying to share value. Yes, Rahul.
Also on LinkedIn, so you can reach on LinkedIn too.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
thank you for saying all these things.
Hmm.
And
Facts,
so
man, facts. Hmm.
I think this is the much things about the
ठीक है.
how can you develop the growth mindset. So
Yes.
now the time for the biggest surprise for you people.
हाँ हाँ,
So
क्या
are you excited for this?
हाँ भाई, क्या सरप्राइज दे रहा है राहुल?
Yeah.
बैंक अकाउंट में कुछ ट्रांसफर करेगा क्या भाई?
No, and yeah, sure, these things will change your whole life. So this surprise is more than your bank account.
Okay, and what
So
is that, man?
this is that much huge. So are
हम्म.
you really excited for that?
अरे दे दे भाई, दे
So
दे राहुल. पब्लिक बोलेंगे सोने को जाना है, जल्दी जल्दी बोल दो.
yeah, so surprise is our next season is coming soon.
Yes,
So the
18th. Hmm.
18th of Jan, our next season is going to be started at 9:30 p.m. on same Success with Tosif on Facebook page, and it's going to be huge. And I am sure these things will change your life completely. So stay tuned with us, stay connected with us, and your 2021 will going to be awesome. So set your
Yes, yes, yes.
resolution. Yeah, I will
Hmm.
achieve everything, and we are going to help you them. How can you achieve?
Awesome. Yes, guys, we are a team of life transformation where we are working closely with the individuals so that we get better. We are able to become more stronger to deal with our life situations. Everybody is having problems, but you get better to solve those problems. And all such things we are going to start from 18th January. And like the people like Rahul and also, we are associated since past 8 months, and we are upgrading, we are growing ourselves, and we want to help more people. So that's where these initiative, the season 9 is going to launch 18th of January, same place, guys, and it would be 9:30 same time as well. Okay, so thanks Rahul for sharing that, and
Thank you.
huge wishes for your future. And करते हैं भाई दुनिया मुट्ठी में, and you're looking awesome. ठीक है राहुल, जैकेट
Thank
विकेट
you.
में ठंड के आड़ में एकदम स्टाइलिश बन गया है भाई. ठीक है. ठीक है.
Thank
Okay, and yeah, so guys, we are fixing our life end to end. Okay, and for that reason, so tomorrow we all people will be like waking up in the morning 5 a.m. and we are going to do meditation and pranayam. So if anybody is interested, you guys can join us. It's live, available for all. So on YouTube we stream it live, so you can definitely join us. And all these are we are fixing our life. Okay, and 2 years from now, we will become great in our own fields, basically. Okay, and that's what it is. And right now I'm already the head of technology. So currently, guys, आज एक और बंदा आया टीम में, राहुल. ठीक है, so he was a QA automation engineer. So people are pouring in my team, guys. It has, the current count is 28. Okay, so 28 people inside, and we are reaching towards 35 size right now. Okay, thank you Rahul for your time, and thank you for sharing all these valuable inputs with
you.
the people. And keep sharing and keep growing, man. Okay, chalo, thank you. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.
Take care. Take care. Take care, Rahul. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.